Ziggy very hungry. Wyatt's with me. We dropped his car off at the Pilot Transport because unfortunately he's got some transmission issues that can't be fixed out here. So our buddy Mike from Canada is back there. Our other buddy from Canada, Andrew, is back there.
Canadians, eh?
All these Canadians. Mike's dad is up there, and then we got our buddy Wyatt up in the front. So all in all, pretty rad day. Now we're just driving over to some burger place to get some food because we are starving. Good morning. It is day 3 of Hot Rod Power Tour, and we're just getting some morning activity. Tire smoke green, or was that just me?
I think
it looked green, right?
Get the hell out of here.
gotta say. Rios, yeah.
Man, what is Hot Rod Power Tour without a little breakage? What's going on? Who's got what going on?
Oh, it's not mine. Mine's perfect.
Yeah, it looks perfect going down the road.
Thanks, baby.
Yeah, you're welcome. The verdict.
What's the verdict? Look at this guy. He's got a fucking fan in there.
And a hoonigan.
I like your AC system, but I want one. I want one. I saw that big old. I saw that big old.
Oh, it's just a ball bearing. Oh.
Electrical problems again?
Maybe it's an electrical problem. I'm not 100% sure. When I'm driving, randomly it's just like once to shut off, I have to like give it all the beans for it not to shut off, and then it's like put.
Say again, what was it?
He's going to Power Tour in that thing.
Yeah.
Long hauler.
He's more comfy than me.
Not to keep trying. I just probably should be closer to the front in case it does stop.
Fine. We're really close to it.
Well, then let's send
It
it.
runs really good, so I think it'll be alright.
Yeah, let's do it.
I'm always on.
I think we're good.
I think we're good to go, man.
$10,000 right now. I don't want to take it home.
How's your car doing?
Fantastic.
Excellent.
27 miles per the gallon.
Hasn't wavered the entire trip.
Nope. Like your AC system.
Yeah, it works pretty good.
It's mint.
Yeah, you just get the inverter, plug it in, plug it in, and down the highway doesn't really do a lot, but you know when you get stopped, it keeps it cool.
Yeah.
Nice. What's the word, Craig?
She's mint.
She is mint.
Everything's mint.
Everything.
I'm spicy though, bro. It's hot out here.
Well, you're also like hella ginge, so that's like magnifying the burn.
I'm permanently on fire for the rest of my life. I started life this way, I'm gonna end life this way. And so I'm already ahead of the curve because I'm used to it. But then I just came out here and then it's hot but it's wet.
It
It's
is.
like you mix the two and I'm already on fire. It's just trying to put me out.
Woo!
Oh, those guys just stopped. There
Yeah.
more guys stopped. All good, all good. That was decent.
Beautiful.
That was pretty good. 6-cylinder, right?
Go check these guys out. You guys doing the whole tour then?
Oh yeah. What's your channel?
That's you?
Yep, that's me.
Ford Arrow.
Yeah, go ahead.
Well, guys, have a safe trip.
You too, man.
I found these guys on the side of the road. They're almost having a little picture. Fixed up.
We're good.
We'll see you out there.
Yep. See ya.
Thank you.
We're in line to get to the venue. I'm sure we'll be here for at least an hour, just like yesterday.
I freaking hope not, dude. Yesterday was the worst.
Oh man, I got to ride in air conditioning though. Well, it's not really that funny because my transmission decided not to be a transmission anymore, but that's all right. We're still here, still chugging along. It's a nice Chevelle. Right there. That's that one with that fat tires on it. We got homeboy in the Ford here. Stayed up all night, put a new radiator in his truck. Mostly just watched and drank beer, but
And now he's
I was there for emotional support.
hip hopping and bebopping. in
Oh,
his
dude's
truck.
got his. Oh yeah, he's got his. Look at that. Sorry for my. Excuse my French. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You can bleep stuff out, right, Bryce?
Sure.
Yeah. For the kids.
For the kids, he says.
Bryce Cold is for the children.
Yes.
Oh, there's Jacob on his truck again, holding up traffic. What a hooligan. Oh man. Oh, we're about to turn into a sweatbox. There's no more air moving through the car. I'm gonna see if I can jump out and see the line we got going on. Oh yeah. Hi friends. Hello. All right. Onwards and southwards still. Alabama, baby. Roll Tide.
All right, guys, we have made it to Hoover, Alabama. Let's go ahead and just take a look at all of this. That is freaking awesome, dude. More cars to even freaking look at. How was
B-Rice?
How was your AC-less Mustang?
Man, I am not getting used to this.
Yeah, no kidding.
Not a fan.
Me neither. Ah, I see what you did there. Yeah, dude. So much freaking cool stuff here. Way too much to see. Oh.
That's where it's at.
Oh, gosh, you just dropped some cold ass water down my neck. Oh my gosh, dude. Yeah, look at that thing. Sick. All right. We're gonna go walk around, take a look at some stuff. Maybe find some of our people. And we'll catch up in a little bit. Alrighty. What the frick we got going on over here, bud? Oh. Uh-oh.
We got all the QA1 guys here.
Yeah.
I was gonna try to stop you and Cam because I was pulling him in. I was gonna have you guys park over here, but you guys were already like,
My car's right over there. I can literally drive it down here.
if you want to.
Yeah,
There might be room next to Luke over there.
Oh,
if you want.
If I want, yeah.
I'm gonna fix somebody's car. It's gonna park next to the trap.
Sarcastic truck? Okay. So
I'm gonna
don't
park-
next to
So,
Cas's
so leave
truck.
that spot.
No, I'm
open.
gonna go next to Luke.
You can park next to that D100 in front
Okay.
of our truck.
Yeah. Save the spot by the D100 for me. All right, guys, we are here, Hoover, Alabama. I'm parked over here at the QA1 booth, and I'm over here with Kale as well. Dude, this place is freaking awesome. So badass. But anyway, if you're here, come say hi. Later.
Hey, you realize this isn't a Mopar, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, this is the end of day 3. We're all just standing on here. She's getting schmammered. What are you drinking there?
Moonshine. Apple pie.
Oh,
I
yes.
thought it was apple juice. They lied to me.
According to Jesus, it's apple juice.
Apple hoose. Yeah, we're all just chilling under here while it's pouring freaking rain. Wyatt and I decided to walk over from our hotel
Because we smart.
because we're dumb.
We're really
Yeah.
smart.
You shoot all this on your phone for YouTube?
Oh yeah, dude.
Oh yeah, bud?
Oh yeah, bud. It just comes out when I talk. I don't mean to do it.
Are you sure? I feel like you mean to.
I don't. Oh, dude.
Did you mean to do that?
I didn't.
You have a Wisconsin accent.
Fuck, I don't.
He has an everything accent.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, bud. What do you have to say? Oh yeah, no, it's for sure.
Yeah, yeah, man. We're just having a grand time under here. Craig is doing Craig stuff. It is wet, but you look dry. You look dry.
Yeah, how are you so dry?
I'm a ginger, I'm on fire. It just evaporates. So you're gonna
I'm a ginger. Just
It evaporates before it hits me.
never put me out.
Ooh. So yeah, this is the end of day 3. Tomorrow, Pensacola, Florida. Should be dry, but not
ew.
really because of the moisture. Yeah. Anyway.
Don't put any of me in your video, please. Like throughout the trip. Please don't. If you throw tapioca in there, I swear to God.
I'm not gonna put tapioca in there. I swear. That word will stay out of there.
Or this wet rat. Thing I got going on right now.
All right. Well, that's it. Day 3. Tomorrow, Pensacola, Florida. Peace.